loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a quick wig review, but I'm also adding in a quick story time. Well, hopefully it'll be quick. And so let's just jump right into this video. Okay, love, so this wig is courtesy of SAMSBEAUTY. You know, they hook your girl up, and I'm so grateful that I got to choose another wig, and this is the wig that I decided to go with. So the deets are, this wig is from SENSATIONNEL. It's from their Swiss lace silk base lace frontal wig, and it's from their supermodel series. And so this is a 6x4 3XL Swiss lace parting. So that means that all of this right here, 6x4, it's free parting. You can part it in the middle, you can part it on the side, you can part it wherever. I decided to just kind of go with the middle part. They did it a little bit, I think up to like right here, so I just made the part longer. But that's basically what I did. It comes in the style MELBA. Now, why they have this name for this sexy wig, I don't know. Not to say that MELBA can't be sexy, but it's called MELBA, and it's in the color T4 27 613. So let me show you guys a stock card. So this is the stock card, and the model is wearing it in exactly the same color that I'm wearing it in. So that is the look, and she's wearing it on a side part. So you guys get to see what it looks like as a side part as well as a middle part. Make sure you guys stay tuned, because as usual I'll do an unboxing, but I also show you how free the parting is, where you can either part it in the middle, part it on the side, left side, right side, whatever side, you know, suits you. It definitely works for any side that you choose. Okay, so my own personal thoughts on this unit. So I like the fact that, one, it came with baby hairs, because I like that certain wigs give me a jump start. Usually the baby hairs are too long, but it at least gives me a jump start to where I don't have to, you know, start from the beginning and making my own baby hair. So that's the hairs that you see right here. They came with the unit, and I just kind of made them even shorter and then, you know, slicked them down. Also, I love the free parting space. I decided to go with the middle part. They kind of had already made the middle part, you know, for you, and so I just decided to stick with the middle part. I also love this color, this customized color. Like, I love how it has dark roots, and the color just kind of blends seamlessly down to this blonde color. And so yeah, I definitely love that about this unit. I will say that I wouldn't quite say that it's big head friendly, only because I did notice when I put the unit on, it did feel kind of snug. Something that I didn't notice though is if they already had put the adjustable straps on there. So I might have to check that out, because maybe the adjustable straps are on there and it's not really as snug as it kind of felt, but it feels comfortable to me. Now, if your head is bigger than mine, or you have thicker hair maybe, then it might be a little tight, but so just FYI. So initially I was going to cut this unit because I had in mind that I was going to wear this unit to an upcoming surprise birthday party that I'm going to, and it's prom themed, and so that's why I'm wearing this very lovely ensemble that you see right here. It's actually a Coverup, and it's by Glam by It's Oaken, and so I'm going to link that in the description box so you guys will know exactly what it looks like, as well as if you want to purchase it. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram, because that's where I show you guys full body shots, and I'll try to link a picture if I end up having one. But yeah, so make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys are feeling about this hair. Oh yeah, something else that I love about this wig is that it comes with beautiful layers. So if you guys see this, these are the layers that came with the unit, and I just love it. I have not brushed this hair or combed this hair. I've literally just been finger detangling it, and it works. I'm not getting any type of tangling or anything like that. So yeah, you see those layers? Bam, look at that. So yeah, I love it. So now that we're past that, I thought it would be a cool little thing to do a story time about my own prom, because the person that invited me was like, are you ready to go back to prom? And I was like, yeah, no, I'm not ready to go back to prom, because it made me think of my experience. So my experience with prom was, one, me and my ex, and I say ex like that's a strong word, we had broken up right before prom. So we were supposed to go together, but we didn't, and I ended up going with someone else. So I'll get to that part later. But prom day, I got my hair done like everybody tends to do, and my mom decided she wanted to take herself to Ross or some store, and she calls me and she's like, she lost her car keys. And I'm like, what you mean you lost your car keys? And she's like, I lost my car keys. They're trying to find them, but needless to say, I'm done getting my hair done and she's nowhere to be found because she can't leave the store. So I literally was at the beautician forever. And so they find my mom's keys. She hurries up and comes picks me up. But by this time, I'm like hours late doing what I was supposed to do. So I make it back to my house. And by this time, like my champagne party is like about to get started. So I have to hurry up, you know, take a shower or whatever, get ready. So yeah, so I get ready. And by the time I'm going to try to, you know, quickly enjoy my champagne party, my best friend, who is a guy, one of my best friends is a guy, he arrived, and I think he arrived with his date. Maybe, I don't know. His date, I think it was probably an ex-girl of his. So he arrives to my champagne party, and he basically starts to rush me because he's trying to make it to the champagne party at her parents' house. And if I think about it, I'm trying to remember who his ex was. I can't remember who the girl is at this point, but I'm quite sure she wasn't even a senior. Like, I don't know why her family was throwing a champagne party, but that's what they decided to do. So at this point, I'm annoyed with him because he's basically rushing me through my champagne party, and I feel like I had like some more time. But either way, I get in the car because we all went together. So we get in the truck, and when we get in the truck, I realize I left my camera at the house, and he's not basically about to go back and get it. So at this point, I think I'm like in the back seat crying, trying not to mess up my makeup because I'm just so over it at this point. So then I get to, you know, her champagne party, and I think I was again crying in the bathroom again because I just was over it. So then we make it to our prom, and our prom was at Universal Studios. So I live in California, so if you've been to Universal Studios, that's where our prom was. So it was like a huge thing. You know, we're excited that we're having our prom at this, you know, cool place or whatever. So we go into the prom, and the thing about my date was he wasn't a boyfriend, he was barely a friend. It was just kind of like, I think I had a crush on him at one point in time, but then yeah, it just didn't work out. So I was over it. I was over him. I didn't want to dance with him. I didn't even want to see him at this point. So I called a ride and had him sent home. Yeah, that's what I did, because I felt like I could have a better time by myself with my friends than to have this guy who wasn't even in high school. Like, he was older than me, so he probably was in college at this point, and I just kind of was over it. I was over him, and I was just like, yeah, goodbye. So yeah, that was pretty much my experience. Now, after he left, I did have a great time with my best friends. We all just had a, you know, a really great time. I think we had it after prom, but I think it got shut down. But even that, like, you know how you can do something with your friends and it's hilarious and it's funny and it's a good time just because you're with your good group of people. And so I'm still blessed that today I'm still friends with these same group of people that I've grown up with since I was like 6th, 7th, 8th grade. So yeah, that was my experience with prom. Now, I didn't look this good on prom. I'm probably gonna link a picture of what I look like, maybe right here if I can find a picture. But yeah, other than that, I don't think that I look as, you know, put together as I look now. Even with my hair, I don't know why I decided to go with that hairstyle, but look, you were young, you know, you do things, you know, okay. But now I got wigs to just kind of come through. I have, you know, confidence, life experience that has just molded me into, you know, the woman that I am today. So was I excited then to go to prom and redo prom? Not so much, but this prom that I'm going to now, I'm in a better space. I'm a wiser, stronger woman. So yes, that's my experience. You guys let me know what you guys think about my story time. Let me know in the comment section how your prom went. Like, was it amazing or was it just like, I don't want to do that ever again? So you guys let me know. Also let me know if you guys like this little story time that I included into this like wig review. Let me know if, because I have some stories, y'all. So y'all just let me know if you guys want some more story times. If you guys have questions, make sure to leave them down in the comment section. And so yes, I will see you guys in my next video.
Baby, take a ride. I just while now, and I've been kinda lonely. I'm looking for somebody to talk to, love me, someone who can hold me. Is that you? I'm looking for somebody I can call, looking for the only one that I can give my all to. Tell me if it's you. What you wanna do, make a move. You can be my teacher, I'll do homework. You can give me extra credit, baby, I'll do more work. What you wanna do. Now it's me and you. The mood is so right. So right. You can be my prince, my knight. You can be my Superman, save me, here I am.